Let's talk about balance. Simply put, balance is achieved when your center of gravity is inside your base of support. Center of gravity is the point below the navel where your body balances evenly in all directions. Base of support are your points of contact to the floor, the wall, or any fixed point in space. Generally, the wider your base of support, or the lower your center of gravity, the easier it is to balance. In climbing, your base of support includes a combination of hands and feet, giving you a variety of body positions. For most people, the trickiest position to balance is the 2-point line. The best methods for balancing there include using opposite hand and foot, flagging, or back flagging if using same side hand and foot. There are a few other factors that can also affect your ability to balance. Proprioception. This is one of the reasons why handstands and other inversions are harder to balance. The quality of your base of support. In climbing, better footholds equals better balance. Body tension and strength of appendages. Sometimes your base of support just sucks, and you have to make do by holding the position with arm strength or body tension.